what these special ceremonies are all about, these rituals, the Puja Vidhi that began from today. The Brahm Muhurat was around 4:30 a.m. That's the picture that you actually saw of that lamp that has now been lit for the first time in the Garbhagriha itself. And most of these rituals are expected to be over by the 21st. So, Shivani, it means that the minimum necessary rituals will only be performed on the 22nd at around 12:20 p.m., which is the Muhurat for Pran Pratishtha.
Amita, see, the set of rituals, they clearly mention that each day has a significant set of puja that will happen, a significant set of protocol that is to be taken up. And if we talk about tomorrow, this will be the Parisar Pravesh of the Murti. So we've not seen the Murti, we've just heard about it. This is a Murti that depicts a 5-year-old Bhagwan Ram. The weight of the Murti is around 150 to 200 kgs. That's what has also brought out by the trust now. And on 19th, if we say, on 18th, there will be Tirth Pujan, Jal Yatra and Gandh Divas. So all this is happening each day. On 19th, Aushadh Divas, Kesar Divas, Ghrit Divas. So saffron and pure ghee will be offered to Bhagwan in the temple before the consecration happens. On 19, Dhanya Divas, Sharkara Divas and Phal Divas. So all these ingredients that are used in the puja will be used every day. So today the lamp lighting has already started. The rituals have started. They have already begun with the Panchopchar. And 20th will be Pushpa Divas. So flowers will be offered in the Garbhagriha. 21st will be Madhya Divas. Shaiya Divas, I beg your pardon. Yes, on 21st there will be 2 pujas, Madhya Divas and Shaiya Divas. So by 21st of January, the initial protocols will be over so that the Garbhagriha is all set for the grand Pran Pratishtha that will happen on 22nd of January around 12:20. That's what has been.
So today officially, as far as the first Puja Vidhi has begun, this is a historic moment, and this picture that has been shared to your right, as you can see, this diya that has now been lit, and this has happened for the first time in the Garbhagriha itself, and a series of pujas and Puja Vidhis that will be now taking place until the 21st before the grand Pran Pratishtha ceremony.